Okay, so hello everybody, welcome back to the tkgthrifts YouTube channel. I'm Suchin, and today we're gonna do a thrift flip / upcycling video. So I got this dickies jumpsuit a while ago, and I really love it. The color is gorgeous, but it's not in the best condition. There's holes in the pant leg, which is so 2016. And also turns out boiler suits don't look good on me, but it's fine because today we're going to upcycle it into a two-piece set of with a top and a skirt. So yeah, I'll insert some clips of the before, and let's get started. So ignoring the fact that I look like an uglier Asian version of Billie Eilish, here is the full look. Wow, so fashionable. So yeah, so the plan is to cut it somewhere here, and then make it in the top and the skirt. I'm not sure how to explain, but yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the boiler suit now, and we're gonna start on the top first. So the problem with this boiler suit is just that there's only one zip all the way down, and as you know, we want to make two pieces, so we need two zips. So the plan is to use the original zip for the top, and then we will use a new zip for the bottom. I hope this makes sense. I don't know, but also I'm kind of winging it too, so let's try. So here I'm just taking a small pair of scissors and cutting in between the teeth of the zippers. You shouldn't cut directly through it, or you may damage your scissors. Okay, I was cutting this and then I realized I made a huge mistake. So originally I wanted the zipper to be on top, right, so we can zip it up. But then I realized I forgot to move the zipper to the top, so now I cannot zip it because it's at the bottom and it's disconnected. I don't know if this makes sense. The point is I made a mistake. And I'm very dumb. And you shouldn't, if you're doing this, you make sure to put this to the top before you start cutting, because now I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll have to change the plans, we'll see. But yeah, not thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay, so what I'm doing here is taking a skirt and tracing the outline. Remember to leave some space for a seam allowance. So yeah, I think that's what I'm doing. I can't really tell because turns out I don't know how to frame a shot and I don't know what's going on. Also I'm using scissors here. You can use a seam ripper, but it's such a pain to use. Okay, so here I'm just pinning the hole between the two leg holes. I'm just pinning them together so you can sew it shut later. Okay, it's time to take out your sewing machine and start sewing, or you can use your hand, I guess, but I don't trust myself. I think it'll fall apart, so yeah. Oh my god, hello everybody, we're back with another talking segment with my face because the lighting is so beautiful. Yeah, so today I went out and I wore this shirt that I really finished, and it's so beautiful. I recommend every single one of you go out and get a boiler suit and do this project because it's so cute. Oh my god. But anyway, so today I went zipper shopping, and I went to my usual zipper dealer, but guess what, they were closed. And then I went to another store that sold zippers and they were also closed. The only other store that I know that sells zipper is Spotlight, and they're extremely overpriced, so not today. Maybe after I get a sugar daddy. But anyways, take a shot every time I say anyways. But anyways, we're still going to continue, and we're just going to use like another zipper that I have from like my many other failed projects. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to be funny, but like, I'm not. Okay. But anyways, it's not going to be the correct color, but I think it's going to be fine because it's like covered by this, and like we're going to be using an invisible zipper, which usually you won't use for this kind of stuff. Like usually you use like this kind of zipper. I don't know what it's called, but we're going to use an invisible zipper because that's all I have. I'm probably going to change it out after like when I have time to go to the zipper dealer again. But yeah, so let's begin. Okay, off topic, but look at that lighting. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at me. So self-obsessed. And look at that mess. But anyways, back to the video. So now I'm just going to like pin this zipper thing all the way through, and then like I'm gonna sew it on. But yeah, okay. I don't really know what else to say. Okay, let's go. I've sewn on the zipper, and this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's absolutely atrocious. I may or may not have forgotten to film me sewing on the zippers, but I think it's a good thing that I didn't, because I messed up so many times. It's so hard to sew on these zippers. Again, I'm not a professional. I recommend y'all go and like watch a proper sewing tutorial for this. Oh my god. I also recommend you actually like attach like one of those hook closures or like a button like at the top. Okay, so hello everybody. It's the next day and I'm back. So let's begin again. So today I hope to finish it by today. I think I will start by hemming the shirt because it's almost done. The only thing I need to do is to hem it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so here's how the shirt looks like right now. So I finished like hemming everything. Looks like this now. I'm quite satisfied with it. The only thing is that the zipper, I can zip it up, but then when you like tug it open a bit, then it separates like this, which is not cute. I think what we've learned is that just use the new zipper. Don't try to salvage the old one. For this part, I will like hand sew it down because it's kind of thick, and yeah, I don't want to ruin my needle. I recommend getting a bigger like a needle for thicker fabrics if you're doing this. I didn't because I'm lazy, but you should. And I may sew some buttons on as well, so that like in place of the zipper, but I don't know, we'll see. So here's the final review. I'm gonna show you some ways that you can style it. So here I'm styling it by layering a white turtleneck under the shirt. This is good if it's like somehow cold in Singapore and you wanna layer up. Here I'm trying to be edgy. So I think anything that's like black and white would go well with this outfit, cause like red, black, white is like such a good combination of colors. And you can keep all your random junk inside, like your schoolwork and your water bottle, so you can stay hydrated. Drink some water, yay. So here I am taking way too long to put on this checkered belt. It's really good if you want that snatch waist, or if you like didn't sew properly and like the skirt is slightly too loose. This will also look great with some classic black and white Vans, but unfortunately I don't have any. So here are my Dr. Martens. They're so amazing, and it also gives like the outfit like a edgier twist. So now I'm just wearing a beret because I wear a beret with like everything, and I think it looks good too. I recommend like putting on some pins as well. So another option is to have a striped turtleneck. I'm styling this unzipped because I paid $50 for this Guess turtleneck. and I'm going to show it off, okay? But yeah, so the good thing about this being a two-piece set is that you can wear them separately, like what I'm doing now, and you can also wear the top like with just like a plain skirt. But of course you can still wear this by just like the top and the skirt, or you also need to wear like shoes, but you know what I mean. So hello everybody, you've reached the end of the video. I think the project turned out pretty good, but at least better than I expected, which is like not that much. But I recommend everybody like try this out at home yourself, but maybe like watch another tutorial because it kind of sucks. But yeah, I think it's kind of easy though. Like if I can do it, you can do it too. I believe in you. If you do do it, you should tag us on Instagram, tag me and tag tkgthrifts, and we will repost your entry. It's not entry, but you can enter into our competition, and you can also sign up to be a model. Like, comment, subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram, turn on notifications, and I will see you next week, hopefully, if I don't crash and die. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, comment, and next week we'll be doing a capsule wardrobe video, so be sure to subscribe here, and you can click here for more fun videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye again.